two mega blocks. One that is one on 9th of November from 12 hours to 15 hours. That will be operated between Kumta Bhatkal section of Konkan Railway, and second will be operated on 10th November from 8:30 to 11 hours between Ratnagiri and Vaibhavadi. So because of this operation of mega block, there will be some slight changes in train timings of running in these sections. Like for on 9th between Kumta and Bhatkal section, during this mega block between Kumta and Bhatkal section, the train number 6585, that's the Bangalore Murdeshwar Express, which commences journey on 8th of November from Bangalore. It will be short terminated at Bhatkal station, and it will originate from Bhatkal station on 9th 11 instead of Murdeshwar. On 10th of November, this mega block will be operated between Ratnagiri and Vaibhavadi station from morning 8:30 to 11 hours, almost around 2.5 hours. So repercussion on train services will be as under: train number 16346, Netravati Express, running between Tiruvananthapuram Central to LTT, which will originate from Trivandrum on 9th, will be regulated for 2 hours 30 minutes between Udupi and Kankauli section. So these are the repercussions on the train services because of maintenance block. I request all the passengers to kindly note these train timings accordingly and undertake their journey.